Did you know that you can actually buy a primary residence even in the same neighborhood where you already own a home? This is a fantastic program put out by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac that allows you to buy a home for your parents, or your kids can buy for you, or you can buy for your kids as long as they are unable to make the payment. I've done many loans like this over the years where, let's say, mom and dad are buying a home for their kid because their kid is going to college or something like that and can't actually afford the payment, or they're taking care of that kid. It is super important to know this because you can save big time on your down payment and you don't have to pay the interest rates of an investment property. If you have any questions about this particular loan, please reach out to me at 916-799-3256, or you can click down below, check out my website, and learn more about the home buying process. Thank you so much. See ya. Bye.